Welcome to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. Now, for your early morning look at financial news and activity in audio and video form, here's the Morning Market Mimosa.
You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I'll rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you beset with gloom? 'Cause I walk like I've got oil wells pumping in my living room. A man cold afflicted me yesterday, sore throat, runny nose, bleary eyes. But today hope is springing high. Still, I'll rise. We're back. Welcome back. The Investing Podcast, presented, as always, by Tusk Media. This is the Morning Market Mimosa special live outdoor edition on Meat Day, August 18th, 2016, here at Narwhal Capital Management. A lot of meat getting cooked today. Scotty the intern is the grill master, the smoke monster, if you will, if you're a Lost fan. We got two birds on there right now, whole chicken stuffed with bacon, rubbed up, oiled up, smoking low heat. Later on, we're going to do some turkey, turkey breast only. Got to get the good stuff. And we got quail coming on. So we're going to eat a ton of birds today. I don't know why. We're just doing it. That's what we do around here. But let's jump in. Market futures devastatingly down heading into the day. Dow futures down 2 basis points. That's 0.02%. S&P futures down 1 basis point. NASDAQ futures down 6. Gold up about 0.5%, trading at $1,355 per ounce. Oil up 28 bips, so a little more than 0.25%, trading at close to $47 per barrel right now. So interesting day, not really that devastating, as you can tell by those numbers. But let's jump in with a couple stocks, a couple things that caught my attention this early morning. Again, Ben Nye, not here. He's not committed to the meat like we are, not committed to the podcast like we are. So we're here. Twitter down 2.6%, trading at around 19 bucks. We saw it get over 20 bucks for a little while. Now they're just reeling us back in. That's what Twitter does. Nonetheless, 19 bucks is a price that a lot of us would have loved seeing when it was at 13, 14 bucks not that long ago. Target announced that they're going to spend $20 million making a whole bunch of individual use bathrooms. You may remember the transgender bathroom issue of 2016, arguably the most important, impactful story of the year, impacting so many people out there at Target. But they've decided that they're going to get away with the gray area and they're going to make individual use bathrooms. This might surprise some people, but shout out to Target. Great decision right there. Way to listen to people. I've been complaining about the bathroom situation at Narwhal for forever. John Holt, the chief compliance officer, got a fly here. John seems to think that he owns property in there. That's the only thing I can figure out, and I've complained about John's use of the facilities enough that I, in our new build-out, will have my own bathroom. So great job to the people at Target that made noise and got their own bathrooms. I think that's the real moral of the story. If you complain enough, you'll get your own bathroom. Planet Fitness, interesting company. They're the gyms. They're 10 bucks a month. They don't have weights, really. They have weights up to 50 pounds. They don't want you to get stronger there. They just want you to have a membership. If you make noise, if you exert yourself and make noise, they actually have an alarm that is much noisier than your noise from working out to alert people that you're making noise. So again, they don't want you working hard. They just want you to have a membership. Their CEO, Chris Rondeau, came out and said their biggest competitors are Chili's and Uno's Pizza. Yeah, 2 restaurants. That's the biggest competitors for Planet Fitness. So interesting take from a guy that has a company with the word fitness in the title. I used to sell gym memberships back in the day for a living. We used to call it Planet Fatness because, again, they don't really want you getting in shape. We also had another nickname for it, and it rhymed with fit, Planet-ness. I'll let you fill in the math. This is a PG-13 show, at least in the mornings. We got to talk Olympics. We got to talk Olympics. Didn't do it yesterday. I was sick, deathly ill with a cold. U.S. 30 gold medals. We don't do bronze. We don't do silver. 30 gold medals. Great Britain 19, China 19, Russia and Germany each with 12. Solid showing for the U.S. I don't think they're going to get caught. Throwing it out there. I'm calling it right now. U.S. wins the gold medal count. No one's catching them. The Lochte thing, it keeps going on. Ryan Lochte, the swimmer, said he got robbed at gunpoint. His story shifted a little bit. I don't know who to believe here because I really can't believe either party. On one hand, I completely would buy the story that Ryan Lochte made something up for attention. On the other hand, I would completely buy that the Rio police have no idea what's actually going on. Both of those stories equally believable, but it's kind of escalating. Some guys that were with Lochte that night of the alleged robbery were actually detained before their flights home. They wouldn't let them get on the airport because they wanted to be questioned. So that's kind of an interesting caveat. My hope here is that we have a U.S. swimming crime ring led by Ryan Lochte. That's what I'm hoping for. That's a movie I would pay to go see, and that's an athlete that I would gladly support. This has been the Morning Market Mimosa. We're going to be back later. Busy day today, picture day here at Narwhal. That's why I'm classing this join up. We've got a guy from investor relations at a publicly traded firm, no big deal, dropping by just to check on us, check our pulse, see how we're doing, probably schmooze us, make sure that we like him. He's coming by this afternoon, and today, live at around 4:15, might be 4:30, The Investing Podcast Live. Check it out on Twitter and Facebook. On Twitter, go to twitter.com/Tusk Media LLC to check that out. Facebook, facebook.com/Tusk Media LLC. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully the sound wasn't too bad. Lots of experimentation going on right now. Y'all have a great day. We will talk to you soon.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.